Gentlemen, now we have come to the second phase. We are through with the basics. The league matches are over. The knockout stage has started. Okay? With the half group task, your own energy level should be very high. All of you should be participating. All of you should be giving ideas. You can always say that these are the other ideas available so that the GTO can hear you. But do not interrupt a man if he is using a proper idea. In this case, you help him out so that you can finish your task within 15 minutes given to you. In case you are unable to finish your task, you will all be losing marks. And wherever you are, you should be alert and you should be willing to give ideas and you should be participating. If somebody is losing his balance, help him out. Hold the plank. If it is moving or if it is not stabilized, make it stabilized against the structure. Are you ready?
Sir, sir.
You have 15 minutes. You have the resources in front of you.
Yes, sir.
Start.
You can now get a free SSB course under the guidance of Maj Gen Bhakuni at SSB Short Academy if you attend any of our written courses for NDA, CDS or FCAT. Attend 4 to 5 lectures daily and prepare with study material, mentor support, weekly feedback, mock tests and guidance by officers in our lush green 28-acre military campus. Call us now on 725-930-7111 for queries and registrations. Now let's get back to the video.
Okay, gentlemen, when you see a fulcrum like this made of metal,
Yes, sir.
there is no need to hold at all.
Yes, sir.
Human effort will be nothing compared to this.
Yes, sir.
In fact, if you try to hold it, it will become imbalanced.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Avoid that.
Yes, sir. Command number 4.
Then one person you have to move.
No, not.
I cannot come now.
He also come here.
He can. No, you also you hold it. Okay, come on. Okay. I stand. One person will stand down. Please come. Hold.
I have one idea. Chest number 4.
Number 4. Come on. Okay. Okay, it will be balanced. Now you go now. No problem. You will pick here. Don't worry.
Yes.
Go. This chapel. Very nice. You also go. Go. Okay. Good. You are long.
Take the black. Yes.
Please go down. Just number 1.
ठीक है ना? Okay.
Give it to me. More than 2 feet.
Wait. You are standing here?
Yes, sir.
It's about 3 feet. You can climb because 4 feet is allowed. We'll allow you this time.
You can climb here. Come forward.
Come.
Yeah. Very good. Hold the plank.
No. See, 4 feet is the maximum height which is permitted, and this is unsafe.
Yes, sir.
And when there are better and easier methods, why do you want to create more constructions here? Take it off, I'll tell you. And why is this also kept here? This alone would have been enough,
Yes, sir.
isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So you wasted time. So you can just pass it across and use this to move ahead, okay? Isn't this faster and safer also?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now carry on. Come from bottom. Somebody can hold the bully at that time. Yeah. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Don't
Don't put it.
Yeah,
Don't put your foot. Come up.
Little you can because you are actually on the pivot itself. Now what do you do? Okay, that's nice.